So I've been out in the garden today and I was doing something with St. John's wort and looks like I cut myself. I'm gonna go ahead and try my wound powder, which comes from the garden as well. And let's see how that helps with stopping the bleeding. It was kind of a lot. Let's pause. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, or I cleaned it up, and this is what it looks like. He's bleeding quite a bit. So I'm gonna take the wound powder and sprinkle it over this. Pretty clean cut there. See what happens. We'll let you know. We'll be back. So I took my wound powder that always stays handy on my keychain, this little guy right there, and I sprinkled it over the cut that I just got, and let's give it some time. It was a nice clean cut, but you can see it was bleeding everywhere. Let's see what happens. So I made myself a cuppa and also have my herbal band-aid on right here, as you can see. Just sitting here at the window looking out the trees and the sun that peeked through, letting it hit my eyes, you know. Anyway, I want you to see what it looks like after, how it heals and how it adheres to the skin and to the wound. So once it's been packed, it kind of stays on there. I can feel like definitely there's a lot of conversation going on in my finger right now. There's the pulsing or the pain. It didn't hurt really bad, but the pulsing has definitely subsided. It's not dripping blood everywhere. And we'll see. This is about 10 minutes of it on. So I have the cup, made my tea, sat down, cleaned my nails a bit. And yeah, wanted you to see what it looks like when we let Earth speak to Earth and provide the solutions for Earth. So anyway, physicians, this is how you heal thyself. Okay? Okay?